In today's video, I'm going to teach you the navigation pane, the essential tool. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. The navigation pane is a power user feature that gives you a live, interactive outline of your document, making long files feel manageable and fast to move through. To turn it on, go to the View tab and check the box labeled Navigation Pane. A sidebar opens on the left, and that's your command center for quick navigation. If you've used built-in styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, the pane will automatically organize your document into a clickable table of contents. Click any heading in the list to jump straight to that section. This is especially helpful in reports, manuals, or academic papers. If you don't see your sections appear, it likely means the text isn't using those built-in heading styles yet, which is why applying them pays off later when you need to navigate quickly. You can also search your document instantly from the same pane. Type a word or phrase into the search bar, and every occurrence is highlighted throughout the document, with a list you can click through. This is great for tracking terms, names, or recurring phrases, and for verifying consistency across long drafts without scrolling. When you need a big picture view, switch to the Pages tab within the pane. You'll see a grid of page thumbnails you can scan visually. Click a thumbnail to jump right there. It's a simple way to find a chart, a figure, or a layout you recognize without remembering exact wording. For highly precise navigation, use the Go to function. Press Ctrl+G, or Command+G on a Mac, to open the Find and Replace dialog on the Go to tab. From here, you can jump directly to a specific page number, like 15, a section such as S3, or even a line number. You can also navigate to bookmarks, comments, footnotes, or equations, which is ideal when you're editing technical or annotated documents and need exact positioning. When working in a long draft, drop a bookmark where you stop or where you'll need to return later. Go to Insert, then Bookmark, give it a clear name, and you're set. Later, use Ctrl+G and choose Bookmark to jump back instantly, saving you from hunting around. Finally, for reader-friendly navigation, use cross-references from the References tab to create clickable links that take you to a specific figure, table, or heading. These links update as your document changes, keeping everything connected and accurate. Combine the navigation pane, go to, bookmarks, and cross-references, and you'll move through any document with confidence and speed. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.